Hi guys, this is a small video review of this Litokala Li 100 smart charger or battery charger that I recently purchased on gearbest.com. It comes in this plastic bag with some English user manual and the USB, micro USB, USB A or B, I don't know, so the big one, charging cable, and the charger itself. There are a few LEDs on it for the percent of the charging, and a selection button and two LEDs for changing the charging current. Yes, there are two connectors, one for the input and one for the output, because if you have a battery inside the charger, then you can use it as a power bank, which is a quite useful option. Actually, I use it as a travel charger, because I have some bigger chargers, 4-slot Litokala and the 4-slot Clarus, but this is very good for traveling, and if you need some power, then you can use a single battery. In this case, if you put the battery in, you can check the level of the charge in the battery, because when you put the battery in, just a second, it tells you the percentage, of course. Yes. Okay, and there is a possibility to charge lots of types, and when you put the battery in, the charger recognizes and tells what kind of charging will be applied on the battery, and if you want to use a different charger type, then you can change it with this button, and you can also change the charging current. In that case, it is available to charge it nickel metal hybrid, lithium ion, lithium Fa, which is 3.2 voltage batteries, and the higher voltage lithium-ion batteries as well. The slider is very good, moves smoothly, and the overall quality of this charger is also quite good. Nice edges, no burrs, no sharp edges, so I think this is a very good price and a very good quality charger. Thanks for watching.